We're able to save a new product and fetch all products. Let's now find a single product by ID. This also is not that difficult. We can again use our DB pool, execute a query, and the query we want to execute here is select everything from products, and everything here means not all rows, but simply all fields. But now we can restrict the number of rows with a where condition, and where is another SQL keyword. So there we can execute where products ID equals one equal sign only, not multiple ones as in JavaScript, where the ID is equal to question mark, simply to let MySQL inject the value again, the ID we're getting as an argument here. Now let's return this promise here, and this is our statement for fetching a single product with all the columns though, so with all the data. Now we can go back to shop.js, and there, where we do fetch a single product and get product, well, there we still use find by ID for a given product ID, but of course, no nested function here. That didn't change, so let's strip that out of there. Simply call find by ID like this, and instead add then and catch. And in catch, we got our error, which we can output, and then we got our product in the end. Or to be precise, we of course got the nested array, where we know that the first element will be all the rows we got, and that will just be our product, or it should just be the product. Make sure to wrap that special syntax with the square brackets into parentheses. So now we just need the render function here and place it in this function we passed to then. And we're extracting the product here. We're passing it to our view here. Let's see if that works. If I now save this and I click on details, this failed. Now let's simply console log our product here to see why it failed. If I reload this page, here is what gets logged. And the reason why it failed is that product still is an array with one element only, but still an array. But the view simply expects one single object, not an array with one object. The solution is to simply pass the first element in that array. And we know that there will only be one element in that array. So now if I reload this page, we see the second product. I just didn't add an image for that, otherwise we would see that too. So this is working. We're able to fetch a single product too.